Let's see how to make edits with Microsoft Word as the default program. First off, we want to set Microsoft Word as our default app for editing different kinds of documents. And to do that, first, let's head on over to the settings of our PC. And right here, click on Apps on the left. And from here, click on Default Apps. And in this search bar that says Search Apps, click Microsoft Word. And right here, when you click it, you will see the different kinds of files that you can set for Microsoft Word or that will be opened in Microsoft Word, which you will set as your default app. And for example, when you click that, or for example, we want to set whenever we want to open a DocX app, simply click on this one and click on Word, set default. And now, whenever you open a DocX app, it will automatically open Microsoft Word, and this pop-up will not show up anymore. That will ask you to choose what app you want to use to edit. And that is how you can set default apps or Microsoft Word as your default app to edit different types of documents. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.